Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to run an A/B test using ABcommerce by injecting a script into the variation, while keeping the original store unchanged. I want to test the performance of my product page by creating a variation where the main Add to Cart button shakes. First, I will open the extension and click on Start New A/B Test. Then, I will name the test. And I will select the entire element where the CTA is located to inject the script. Next, I will click on Enable HTML Editor. Feel free to expand the screen for a better view. Now, scroll down to the button element or simply search for it. Once we locate the button, I can see its class names. I've already pre-created a script and style to make the button shake, and I've set the button class in the script. All I need to do now is copy the script and place it above the button. As you can see, the button shakes in variant B and stops shaking in the original. I don't need to adjust the split or audience configuration, so I'll simply click Continue and then launch the test.